Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Um, I've been trying down some idea videos. I want to know if you guys have any ideas for me. I know that you guys are always giving me some great ideas. More comments, more subscribers. If you guys haven't already, I would like you to subscribe. I decided to do a video that I did on myself a long time ago, and we are going to do freaks of nature pictures. So I think that'd be really fun for each of us to see what kinds of weird, crazy animals and people out there. That's a gazelle with a long nose. I think it's a cow with two heads. Or who knows what it is. This cow, please comment below. Why? Why do these freaks of nature have this on here? It's a cow with 5 legs. 6 legs. Sorry. Never get math right now. But seriously, why? There's a snake with 2 heads. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Why? A snake and a bear with 2 heads. Why would you do that? Oh my goodness. You found a dead baby deer with 2 heads? It's crazy. A 5-headed cobra. Look at that. That is crazy. Oh, this is pretty cool. 2-headed cheetah. But that's also crazy. I don't know why people did that. Hey, this is service. A 2-headed dog. That's also very crazy. Unless the rest of these are gonna gross me out. I can't do that. But thanks for watching this video. Hopefully make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. And next time I'll have more exciting to show you. Please comment below. Give me a big thumbs up. And smash the subscribe button already. Because I need those subscriptions and those views and those comments. So please, comment below. Like, and subscribe if you have not already, and take care of yourself, and goodbye.